Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox app with the error code 0x87e00191 in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So several causes of this could be due to network connectivity issues, corrupted or missing system files, or outdated Xbox app. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear Microsoft Store. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na wsreset. Ayan, so i-type mo lang yan. And next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. Kaya ginagawa natin yan ng command keyword para mag-back to default yung Microsoft Store natin at ma-fix yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair and reset Xbox app on settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu and select mo lang dito yung apps. At dito sa right side, i-click mo lang dito yung installed apps. And dito lang sa search app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Xbox. And automatic mga kaibigan na mag-a-appear na kaagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin nitong i-repair or i-reset. So dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So click mo lang yan. And i-click mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa kanyang advanced option settings, scroll down. And then next step, dito lang sa reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So i-click mo lang dito yung repair and wait natin ma-complete yung repair process. And repair complete. If this app still isn't working right, so kailangan na natin itong i-reset kung nag-error pa rin. So, i-click mo lang dito yung reset and then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device including your preferences and sign-in details, and i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin ma-complete yung reset process. Okay, so after dito sa reset settings, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to run SFC and DSIM scan. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And verifications 100% complete. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay enter lang natin at i-copy lang natin itong DSIM space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And next step, so gamitin natin yung Ctrl+B sa ating keyboard and then i-paste lang natin and press mo lang yung enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool, So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully, and the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang si start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox up with the error code 0x87e00191 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.